The DBT Northeast Center for Agricultural Biotechnology welcomes you to the virtual tour of the Phytotron facility. This is the first of its kind in Northeast India, and this virtual tour is a part of the VideoLEARN project. This is the DBT Northeast Center for Agricultural Biotechnology. This is the Center of Excellence for Agricultural Biotechnology in the Northeastern region, funded by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. The center is headed by Professor Kumar Sharma.
The DBT Northeast Center for Agricultural Biotechnology was established at Assam Agricultural University in the year 2011 with the funding from Department of Biotechnology, Government of India under Ministry of Science and Technology. The center is well equipped with the state-of-the-art facilities to conduct research in the area of agricultural biotechnology. Currently, we have 4 mandate research programs. First one is to improve rice against abiotic and biotic stresses using the molecular breeding. Under this program, we have already developed a drought-resistant line which is under the field trials in the country. Our second program is on the improvement of grain legumes such as chickpeas using gene technology. Under this program, we have already developed genetically modified insect-resistant chickpeas against stored grain pest as well as against a field pest called pod borers. Our third program is on bioprospecting of soil microbes. Under this program, we have isolated several important genes from soil microbes, especially genes to confer tolerance against soil acidity. Our fourth program is basically to promote organic agriculture. And under this program, we have generated several bioformulations such as biopesticides and biofertilizers to promote organic agriculture in the region. Well, apart from these mandate programs, we have established a citrus disease diagnostics lab in our center, and also through the AdaptNET program funded by the European Union, we have established an e-laboratory which I have already mentioned. And this particular program is to strengthen research and education in the country for climate resilient agriculture. Well, the center has recently established a Phytotron facility with the funding from Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. And this particular facility is a state-of-the-art facility in the whole of Northeastern region. And this facility will also promote to carry out research in the area of climate resilient agriculture.
A phytotron is a high-end greenhouse for studying interactions between plants and environment. So one can control parameters such as temperature, humidity, light intensity, and so forth. So now let us head to the phytotron. This facility is built on an area of about 500 square feet, and it is aimed to cater to research involving live plant responses to changing environments. So in the wake of the current climate change scenario and significance of climate resilient agriculture, this phytotron is one of its kind in the northeastern region and perhaps the whole of East India. Here is a larger view of the front side. As we enter, this is the sterilization chamber, and this is the common area. Let us now enter into all these But before that, let me give you a map of the entire facility. This facility is designed with a sterilization chamber, a control room, a storage chamber, 2 region plant growth chambers, 1 tier Arabidopsis chamber, a seed harvesting and threshing chamber, 4 air-conditioned greenhouses, and 1 fan and pad greenhouse. So here is the floor plan. So we entered through the first entrance and entered the sterilization room. The sterilization chamber has got a changing room and a washroom. Once we take off our shoes and put on our lab coats, we enter the second entrance. Through the second entrance, we reached a common area where we have a storage room, a control room, a sample preparation room, 3 growth chambers, and a corridor that links to the greenhouses. There are 4 greenhouses and 1 fan and pad greenhouse. Let us now enter these greenhouses one by one. Clicking onto each of these hotspots or areas, you will get a score of 1 point. So this is the first greenhouse. Here we have maintained rice varieties that are tolerant to drought. This project is under Professor M.K. Modi and Dr. Sanjay Chetia. Intensity of each of these chambers. Here is the third greenhouse where we have maintained chickpea and pigeon pea. The projects of stress tolerant or insect pest tolerant legumes are under Professor Bidit Kumar Sharma and Dr. Sumita Acharji. In the fourth greenhouse, the pots are being prepared for the new transplants. And this is the fan and pad greenhouse where we have maintained submergent tolerant rice varieties and ghost peppers that are being treated with bio-nano fertilizers. Phytotron facility is regularly maintained by workers. We also maintain callus cultures of Marlborough variety of banana, and this project is run by Professor Salvinder Singh. These are the control panels on the growth chambers, and after the callus regenerates in a period of 6 to 9 months, the plants in its early stages are allowed to grow in the growth chambers under different conditions. These are the growth chambers and the early stage plantlets. Malbhog variety of banana is in high demand in the northeastern region because of its nutrition and also taste. Both the growth chambers maintain these plantlets, and once these early plantlets reach a mature stage, the mature plants are then ready to be transplanted into the farmer's field. Now that we have seen the activities in the Phytotron, we are ready to answer a few basic questions. For example, what is a Phytotron? Is it an enclosed facility for plant growth? Or is it a power generating device? Or is it an energy producing machine? I choose A. The green color indicates correct answer. Get a score of 1 for every correct answer. In a growth chamber, we control temperature, carbon dioxide, humidity, light intensity, or is it air quality, water quality, soil quality, or is it insect pests and diseases? If I choose A, get a correct answer and also a score. So all these spots, when clicked, will give you a score of 1 point. For example, this area shows us the corridor with the control panels for each greenhouse. These control panels are worked to control the temperature, the light intensity and the humidity of each chamber, and only officials of the Phytotron facility can operate these panels. And if we go to the end of the corridor, we reach the fan and pad greenhouse that I had earlier mentioned. So this is all about the Phytotron facility. Once you exit, you get a score, and that is all. So here the virtual tour ends, and we hope that you visit our facility soon. Thank you very much.